Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today's video, believe it or not, is going to be a short little review of the new Grandepout Plumping lip mask. A few things I want to tell you before we get into today's video. So first of all, the title is not clickbait. I know it's an intense title, but it is very genuinely how I feel about this mask. And I will explain all of it throughout this video. Nonetheless, I do want to make it clear that I don't think this is going to be for everybody, so I'm going to try my hardest in this video to convey what I love about this lip mask and also what I think you should know before you buy it. I have an outline for today's video in spite of hopefully keeping it short. We're going to cover the reason I purchased this product, the ingredients, and my results. So if you're interested in any specific section of this video, you can jump to the timestamps, and of course a link to the product will be in the description box. Making a purchase through that link does help support this channel, so thank you in advance if you find this video helpful and want to help out this channel. So part one, why I bought this lip mask. I bought this the day after the VIB sale ended, so you know I had to convince myself, oh, well, we missed the 20% off. Oh, it's still worth it. But I did buy this for a very specific reason. First of all, I do not have any kind of lip filler or lip enhancements, period. I just have smaller lips and I would like them to look a little better. They've been small my entire life. In particular, my upper lip is a little bit smaller than my bottom lip, and I was indeed made fun of for that in middle school. Oh, John Mulaney is right. 13-year-olds are truly the worst. I remember in 8th grade, this kid came up to me and he said, "Hey Alice, why did God forget to give you an upper lip?" And I've been sassy my entire life, so you know I shot right back at him and said, "Why did God forget to give you a brain?" Listen, I am a very kind, nice, loyal person. If you are a good person, if you're gonna say stuff like that to me, you can expect me to fire right back at you. Oh, I'm a typical Aries, God. Anyway, I've lived my whole life like this, so I've tried a lot of lip plumpers. I've tried the Too Faced version, I've tried the Buxom version, but I've tried every lip plumper I can think of. Soap and Glory, we can go on and on. But basically, Grandelips made my previous favorite lip plumper, and it was their hydrating lip gloss. It's in my notes, I'll just read it to you. So the Grandelips Hydrating Lip Plumper Gloss. I love this, it is just very expensive. It's $27 for 0.084 ounces, which is a very small amount of lip plumping gloss. The day I saw this released for $24, for 0.53 ounces, it was an immediate add to cart situation. It was an immediate, we have no time for shenanigans, put it in the cart, check out right this moment. This is roughly 85% larger than the lip glosses, for $3 less. You all know that ingredients are very important to me, so let's have a section on ingredients next. And also I wanted to make sure I note that this does share some similarities in the ingredients with that lip gloss, which you would probably expect. So specifically, they both share this patented ingredient called Volulip. So I did a little more digging on this Volulip ingredient, found out it is manufactured by Sederma, and it has 5 ingredients in the INCI list, including a peptide ingredient that is often used in lip plumping products. Now, what is unique to this mask and is not in the lip gloss is an ingredient called DuraQuench. I'll also have this info up on the screen. This is supposed to be an ingredient that, or a blend of ingredients that increases moisture in your lips for up to 72 hours. So I thought this was an interesting combination from the start because you're not just getting the same plumping effects, you're also getting this added hydration that you get from most other lip masks on the market as well. But it's really nice to see 2 in 1. Like I said, I want this to be a review where I help you determine if this is the product for you. So do know that the first ingredient is petrolatum. There's some other ingredients that you can use to make a plumping lip product. For example, you might want to use some mild irritants. I know that sounds scary, but think of it as controlled irritation as opposed to just out of control irritation. It's to bring some extra plumping to your lips. And we do see those ingredients included in this product. We have menthol, we have peppermint oil, which do keep in mind some people will have an allergy to those ingredients and this will be a no-go for them. But for most of us, it should just be mildly irritating in a way that stimulates your lips so they look a little larger. Not a vegan product also, it is high in beeswax and it also contains microcrystalline wax. So of course this does mean it has a waxy consistency, which you could certainly tell from looking at the ingredients. It absolutely does. Along with other allergy warnings, it does include some dyes, which I know not everybody wants to use. It's not a clean product. We'll just go ahead and say that. And a final note on the ingredients, it also contains some enzyme-rich ingredients. So for example, we have papaya fruit extract, so you may get a very mild chemical exfoliation as well. And my final section for this video, let's talk about my results. So first of all, this is not the planned video I had for today. I'm sitting down to make this video for a very specific reason that I'm about to explain to you. So I did buy this a month ago. I've been using it for a month. One thing about Grande Cosmetics, every product from them, is that I found you really have to be consistent. You have to stick with the products. You're not going to see, results overnight from the lash serum, for example, nor the lip plumper. You have to be consistent. So I used it for 30 days. I thought I was just going to go write a review on the Sephora website. And instead, when I got to the Sephora website, I saw that it actually has some pretty bad reviews from people who have only used it once. Meanwhile, as someone who's used it for a month, I love it. I love it. I do see results. But here's the catch. When you initially get this, it doesn't really smell great. I think that the ingredients we were talking about come together in a way that just kind of smells odd. It doesn't smell great. To some people, it has a cigarette smell. It is thick. We talked about the waxes. We talked about the mineral oil-based ingredients, so it's thick, and it's got a little bit of grittiness to it. If you buy this, do not be surprised if you do not like it on the first use. And also, if consistency is incredibly important to you, it might not be the right product for you. For me, I care more about long-term results. I can get past the smell, I can get past graininess if I see results. And again, I do. I'm going to go ahead and put on the screen an immediate effect of applying this. That is what I have on my lips today. It does feel strange to come on camera wearing only a lip balm with all my other makeup, but alas, here we are. So you are watching me apply it with the little scoop that is provided. I am getting so much use from that stopwatch, so we set a timer for that to see how long it takes to see that visible plumping, and it ended up being 20 minutes. I assume that initial plumping effect is from those mild irritants, so do know that that lasts for maybe a couple of hours, basically while you're wearing it. Your lips will look a little bit larger, but there is a long-term result as well. It does seem that with consistent use of either this or the lip glosses, your lips do look larger over time, and especially your lip lines look less pronounced. That right there is kind of the characteristic that has me sticking with this brand. It is the reason in the past I have spent that money on those tiny little lip glosses. That means a lot to me. I'm not a big fan of my lip lines, would like to get rid of them, and this helps so much. And then add to that this has this new 72-hour hydration, and I really do feel that as well. So basically, in terms of results, I get plumping, I get a decrease in lip lines, and I get hydration for 72 hours. It lives up to its claims. I also wanted to borrow some phrasing from another reviewer on either the Sephora or Ulta website. So they said that the results of using the Grandelips products are very similar to a lip flip. Again, I've never done any work to my face whatsoever, so I didn't know what that was, but upon reading about it and looking at what a lip flip does for your lips, I totally agree, and I think that's another reason why I like this so much, because again, like I said in the intro, it's my upper lip that is a little bit smaller, and a lip flip apparently makes your upper lip look larger. Have I mentioned this video is not sponsored? Let me make sure I'm very clear on that. Not sponsored, I bought it, yada yada. But I kid you not, it is a very strong, strange scent. It is grainy, it is thick. If that's not going to be for you, check out my other video on a whole bunch of lip products in my collection. I would probably recommend for you either the Fresh lip balms or the Laneige lip balm. Those are very smooth and comfortable and hydrating. They don't plump in the way that this one does. And I wanted to give you a bonus tip before I close out this video. If you wear makeup and lipstick like I do, yes, you can absolutely wear this under makeup, but I have a tip, a recommendation for you. Put this on, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then come back and use your lip liner over it, because that will have given you that time frame in which your lips plump up, so you get kind of this amazing guide for applying your lip liner. I've suggested this in the past with the lip glosses. Again, this 85% more for $3 less. We did it, Apollo. We made a short video. Are you proud? Are you proud of me, huh? What is the matter? Why you slow today? Why you so slow today? I think he's got a reptile dysfunction. I gotta give this baby a shower today. He's got some stuck shed on him. Oh, it's gonna be okay. He's not really the world's biggest fan. He's sometimes a bit of a cat-million, you know what I'm saying? But that's all we've got time for today. Thank you all so much for hanging out today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.